Hey there, 4th grade. Today we're going to work on the number line strategy for subtracting mixed numbers. We did this for adding mixed numbers. And now that we know how to subtract mixed numbers another way, we're going to use the number line strategy for subtracting. So go ahead and label that as your next page. Put your pencil in your output, close it up, and unpause when you are ready. So we subtracted mixed numbers the last 2 days. Sometimes we could use arithmetic. Kind of depended on the fractions here. So like 3 2/4 minus 1 3/4. We didn't use arithmetic because it can't take 3/4 away from 2/4. So there we didn't do it. On ones where it was like 1/4 instead, then we would say, 2/4 minus 1/4 is 1/4. 3 minus 1 is 2. And that was okay. But it didn't always work on a problem like this. You may figure out how to do it, do some regrouping, regroup this into 4/4. But we didn't really get into that yesterday. So when we couldn't do that, we used a model or a visual. And like this. Said 3 2/4. And I wanted to take away 1 3/4. And so what I did is I said, okay, well, I can take away 1. That's no problem. But taking away 3/4 was a little tricky because I only had 2/4 to take away. I don't have 3/4 to take away. So what I did is I regrouped this into 4/4. So now I still have the same amount, but I have 3/4 I can take away. 1, 2, 3, and I'm left with 1 3/4. So a little different, way there. I had to regroup one of the wholes into fourths, which is kind of what I was kind of showing you there, if you care to think that through. So that may not be your thing. You may not like drawing the models and taking away and stuff. So I'm going to give you I don't like you to only have one strategy for anything because this one doesn't always work. So number line's another good option. So we're going to do the same examples we did yesterday, but we'll do them with number lines today. All right, so here's Dr. Knoll's Pokemon cards. She gives 1 2/4 boxes to Miss Killian. How many does she have left? So I'm trying to do 3 1/4 minus 1 2/4. And I'm going to use a number line to do it today. So reminder about my number line. So first thing I'm going to do, when I'm subtracting, I'm going to be less than this. So actually, that's about as far as I need to go, because I'm not going to, in addition, I had to estimate how far past I would go. But here, that's going to be the end. So I'm going to go up to maybe 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in my question, I'm dealing with fourths. So I'm going to partition into fourths. So remember, to partition into fourths, I'm going to need 3 partitions. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and then this is 4/4. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So now my number line is set up. And just like when we add, we're doing the same thing as we added, we're just going to go the other way. So I'm going to start here. Subtract this, and my answer is going to be wherever I finish. Alright, so I'm going to take some orange. So I'm going to start at 3 1/4. So here's 3. Here's 3 1/4. I'm going to take away 1 whole. So again, since I'm dealing with fourths, 4/4 make a whole. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. I'm going to go to here. Right? Take away 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. There's my whole that I'm taking away. And now I also have to take away 2/4. 1/4, 2/4. So there's my minus 2/4. And so I see where I end up, and that's my answer. So I ended up at 1 3/4. So that's my answer. She has 1 3/4 boxes left after giving those to Miss Gillian. All right, so you take away your whole, take away your fourths. All right, open your math notebook. Let's do one together. Our second example yesterday was about Jean and her running. Jean ran 4 1/6 miles on Monday and 2 4/6 miles on Tuesday. How much farther did she run on Monday? So here I'm looking to do 4 1/6 minus 2 4/6 equals whatever. And so using the number line strategy, you're going to start here, subtract this, and your answer is going to be wherever you finish, wherever you end up. All right, so 4 1/6 means maybe I want to take my number line out to 5, like a little past where I need to go. So I'll go 0, 1. Try to make these even. They don't have to be perfect, but, try to make your 1, 2, 3, 4, your wholes fairly even. Make it easier. I have room for a 6, so I'll go to 6. And then in my question, I'm working with sixths. So I'm going to partition my number line into sixths. To partition into sixths, I need 5 markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is a whole. 6, 6 is a whole. 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6. 6, 6 would be a whole. 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6. 6, 6 is a whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have sixths all through my number line, and I picked that because that's my denominator. So I am going to start here at 4 1/6. So here is 4. So here is 4 1/6. I'm going to take away 2 wholes. Now to take away a whole, I take away 6 sixths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go to there. I'm going to go from 4 1/6 back to 3 1/6. That's a whole. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. There's 1 whole. And then my next one, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go to 2 1/6. That's my minus 2. So I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So you can see why these are a whole. I went from 4 1/6 to 3 1/6 to 2 1/6. And now I'm going to do my fraction, my 4 sixths. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my minus 4 6. Pretty handy. And I'm going to end up right there, which looks like 1 1, 2, 3 sixths. So she ran 1 3/6 more miles Monday. All right. That's how it works. If you need to go back and watch either example again to understand this really well before class tomorrow, please do. But once you feel like you've got it, and once you've written a nice, neat example down in your math notes for your redo, you're all set. See you tomorrow.